Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now today is all about luxury and keeping that luxury yours. Today we're looking at the ultimate security upgrade for an Audi A8. So these cars are beautiful, they're luxurious, they have all the tech you want, however they don't have the security upgrades that you need nowadays to keep your vehicle with you. So what this client came in with us was basically a simple premise of protect this vehicle and make sure it stays his for as long as he wants it. So what we've installed on this vehicle is the ultimate security package. We have the Ghost Immobiliser, we have a tracker, we have a dash camera, we have the trifecta of security upgrades that we always do here at CBS Automotive. It's a really nice upgrade to do. Today is going to be a nice overview of how all of those systems work and why you should have them and consider them for your vehicle, no matter what it is. So one of my favorite bits about the install is the Ghost Immobiliser. So if you're not too sure what that is, essentially it immobilizes the vehicle and stops the car being able to start or drive or go into gear or do anything, even if you have the key. Now that is a really kind of amazing upgrade you can have, and something that I always have on all of my cars. But the way it works is seamless. So no fobs, no nothing like that you have to carry with you. It's all embedded in the car, and the only person that knows your code is up here in your mind. Only the owner knows. So the way the system works is essentially you get in, you put the ignition on, you start the car, you put in a PIN code that's already registered to you that you come up with and can change as well. Essentially it's a combination of buttons that are already in the vehicle. So something like a window up switch, a volume down switch, anything that in the car already, not an extra button, just buttons that are already in the car. Anywhere between 4 and 20 times, you press that combination and then you will get an indication on the dashboard or a beep, and you can then start the vehicle, drive away and enjoy it. However, if you don't know that PIN or someone is trying to steal the vehicle, it will completely immobilize it. It won't allow it to go into drive, it won't allow it to start. It will completely immobilize it. They won't be able to get away. Just recently, I had 2 customers actually come to us who have had Ghost Immobilisers fitted by ourselves, and they've actually watched their cars trying to be stolen on a Ring doorbell camera, and they weren't able to get away. It's just proof that this system is the ultimate protection for your car. Now, as well as the Ghost Immobiliser, of course, what we've added on is a tracker as well. Now, we offer both Scorpion and Vodafone trackers here, and they both work in a very similar way and work amazingly for each of them. Essentially, they are app-based and have 2 little fobs with you. If they're in the car when it is moved or driven away, you will not have an issue. However, if they're not in the vehicle, they're not present in the car when it is moved, whether that's started and driven off or put on a low loader and picked up somewhere, you will be alerted immediately via a phone call asking you whether you're driving the vehicle or with the vehicle or not. And if you are, obviously that's not a problem. However, they can work directly with the police to recover and find your vehicle as quickly as possible. The stats for the amount of stolen vehicles in the UK at the moment per day is crazy. The numbers are ridiculous, and having a tracker really helps if your vehicle ever does get stolen to get it back to you safely and in the condition that you left it in. It's a really key upgrade to do on any vehicle. Now, as well as the tracker and the Ghost, obviously that has the security side. What you'd think is pretty much sorted, but a lovely extra visual deterrent as well as also protection while you're driving is having a professional dash camera in the vehicle. So in this case, we have the Blackview DR970X 2-channel system with a parking battery. Now this is the ultimate in dash camera. The best performance you can find, the best reliability you can find, and in my opinion, one of the best looking cameras as well. That does make a difference. It's a stunning looking car. You don't want a big bulky camera up there. You want something sleek and in keeping with the design of the vehicle. So the DR970X gives you full 4K camera recording at the front, a really nice crisp image on the rear and front as well, and the ultimate in low light capability. The time where a dash camera is almost most important is at night. When it's dark, more accidents happen, and that's where you want your dash camera to perform the best in capturing those number plates and all the little details that you need, which is why the DR970X is one of the best dash cameras out there on the market. Now, as well as obviously the cameras you have front and rear in this system, it also combines in with the parking battery. Now, what that is, if you're not sure, because there's not many brands that actually offer this, but this is why we love the Blackview and Thinkware brands, is specifically because of this reason and the parking battery. So, what it actually enables is for you to be able to record while your vehicle is parked and you're not with it. So as this car is off right now, I could be in the shops, I could be in my house, I could be in a different country, but this camera is always protecting me. The camera records for up to 30 hours in parking mode, giving you a really nice view if anything were to happen of a full day and a little bit more even. It's a really nice system, and you don't need to charge it up. You don't see that battery. It's completely hidden away. You don't have to fuss with it, but you can look at the capacity and all the details about it on the app. And that brings me to, again, one of the best features about Blackview system, and that is the app that you control it by. So downloading your footage couldn't be easier, creating an account couldn't be easier, and going through all the settings as well is an absolute doddle, which is why the Blackview system is one of the best on the market. It's a stressful situation if you've ever had an accident or need to download any footage for whatever reason. You don't want a complicated app with passwords, logins, all sorts of confusing stuff. You just want to be able to open the app, connect up quickly, and download your footage straight away, which is what the Blackview system does. So that gives you an idea of what security upgrades that we've done on this vehicle, but there are a few other key important factors that we always recommend in conjunction with an upgrade like this. First of all, that being a steering lock. So we sell the baseball steering locks. They look absolutely incredible, but provide a really good visual deterrent as well. And as well as that, obviously a Faraday box to keep your key nice and safe and avoid it being cloned. So hope you've enjoyed today's kind of security overview of what is possible with any vehicle, but what has actually been done to this lovely Audi A8. And if you have enjoyed, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see more beautiful cars like this ones, but also what different upgrades we will be carrying out in the future. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.